What are some of the cool design features about the Luma? Let's find out. The Luma lift looks fantastic. It has a cab that's powder-coated white. It has a lot of acrylic, so it's basically gives you a panoramic view all the way through it. The lighting inside is exceptional. It has this indirect LED lighting everywhere that gives you this warm feel. It's really, really modern. The COP is a silver COP. It goes all the way from the top of the car to the floor. It has these illuminated buttons that are really easy to use. The cab itself is pretty spacious at about 30 by 30 inches in size, but the actual footprint it fits in is quite small. Inside of the cab, you have a soft vinyl, light wood flooring, which is very neutral, comfortable on your feet, and the ceiling itself is clean, it's modern. It has this hidden ventilation built within. Another thing that separates it from other systems on the market is the slope floor. The slope floor allows you easy access into the actual elevator cab. So whether you're just walking into the system or you have a walker, it will provide you easy access. So what are some things that make the Luma really safe? Well, one of the items is the full height door on the cab, which is required by code, but really keeps the user safe when traveling in between floors. And that door is basically kept closed by an elevator door interlock. The product comes with safety brakes as well as a speed arrestor, which is an additional safety, not needed by code, but goes above and beyond. The unit's battery operated, so in the event of a power loss, you still have the operation. But what's also great about it being battery operated is it doesn't have any traveling cable or exposed wiring, which is fantastic and sets it apart from other systems on the market. It also comes with its own one-touch alert phone system that allows you to have some pre-programmed numbers to phone your friend or your neighbor in the event of an emergency. It works from a phone SIM card that you would have in a cell phone and is easily accessible. The product itself is designed with safety in mind. It meets the National Elevator Code, but also comes with state-of-the-art modern design.